If you know anything about trading, then you're about to witness something insane. Raw, unedited footage of me getting a real-time AI trading alert and turning it into $6,882 profit in just 4 hours. No other person on the internet is showing every single trade like I am and is making consistent gains. What you'll learn is how this AI trading bot works, how I analyze trades as a 7-figure trader, and how you can do the same thing to make these type of gains. So stick around because I'm showing every single step. No cuts, no BS, just straight trading action. Let's check it out. So guys, we just got sent out a trade by our AI trading bot. Right now, we're just waiting for confirmation of the entry. Right now, you can see trading bot sent out a trade that said wait for a break above this level right here. So right now, we're just waiting for a break above this level. And not only that, remember candlestick close, so we can get confirmation to enter this trade. As you can see right now, we rejected just a little bit before that level. So still not entry point yet. So gotta wait for that break and the close above. And then we're gonna enter this trade. So let's wait and see. Once this entry gets hit, then we're gonna set our stop loss and TP. This is exactly what we're looking for. This is what the trade sent out. TP is over here and stop loss is over here. So let's see how this goes. Let's see if we could get entry any minute now. And just basically set and forget, ride the AI's trade to TP or stop loss. That's how it goes. You can't mix emotions with trading. Remember, guys, you gotta just follow the original plan. So that's what we're gonna do. You guys are gonna see me do what I always do, even when I was trading for you guys live. Follow the original plan. You never wanna just close this trade just because it's a little bit of drawdown, or well, let it hit stop loss or let it hit TP. So right now we just gotta wait for that entry. I'll update you guys once we get entry. You guys will see me entering this trade. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys, we're about to get a break out that level right now. So right now, we just got to wait for candlestick to close, and then we'll get confirmation. If candlestick closes below this level, then we're not entering the trade. We're going to wait until candlestick closes above that level to enter. But right now, you can see we're getting a little rejection. So that's not a clear break. That's not a clear break and close. So right now, we just got to wait for the next candlestick to close above here. If price opens up, breaks above here, next candlestick opens green above the level we're looking for, then we're entering the trade. But right now, as you can see, it tiny bit wicked at that entry point and then boom, shot down. But right now, candlestick still hasn't closed, so we still have to wait. Still not over. It could still come back up and close above here. So let's just wait for this candlestick to close, guys. We follow the original plan. So right now we're getting that break. So let's see if we could get a candlestick close above that area. Once we get candlestick close, I'm entering. All right, guys, as you can see, we're getting that clear break. Now we just need the next candlestick to open. Next candlestick should open in about 2 minutes. So let's see how that candlestick opens. If it opens above this level, we're entering. If it comes back down here, we're not entering. But let's see. Looking like we're about to get entry. So let's just wait for candlestick to close. Okay, next candlestick open above. So we're in this trade. Now we just write it to stop loss and TP. Let me set my stop loss. Okay, we got stop loss. See what the bot sent. All right, setting my stop loss. So stop loss is at 147, 47.873. Oops, 0.873. And our TP, 148,678. 148,678. Alrighty, so now we're in a little bit of drawdown, but let's let this trade play out. Patience is the name of the game. So let's see how this trade plays out. Even if we lose, we're still good. We closed the swing trade today for 50 racks on the USD/JPY. I'll put that up right here, little pop-up. That's how much we close it for. And everybody else in the community ate on that as well. So let's just wait and see how this trade plays out. As you can see, stop loss that the bot sent is down here. If I look at this myself, overall, USD/JPY has been on an uptrend. And we had some pretty bullish news with the trade wars, USD, Trump making deals with China. So that's pretty bullish news. That's going to bring in some greed to the markets. As you can see, this was the swing trade over here that we smashed through TP. Now we're in a little scalp. Overall, trend is bullish. So I like this trade in my own eyes, in my opinion as well. As you can see, higher low over here, then another higher low, higher high. So maybe this is the new higher low, and then we could form a new higher high. So let's see how this trade plays out, and be patient, guys. All right, guys, so right now we're in a little bit of drawdown, but stop loss still hasn't got hit, and we still have levels here. This is what our stop loss is for. Bot sent stop loss over here, and when I'm looking at, we still have these levels here to get broken. If we could break back below this level, I could see price pushing down to these lows over here. But right now, trade is still valid. Remember, trade isn't invalid until stop loss hits. 90% of traders, they will be panicking right now, be already thinking about closing the trade because their psychology isn't there. As traders, we need to learn how to follow the plan. Basically, set and forget. Just set your TP, set your stop loss, and basically forget about the trade. Because if you're over here monitoring the trade every second, every minute, that means you're risking way too much than your account should. Because if you're risking less than 5%, you shouldn't be worried about losing all of your money. It should be just a little small loss. Oh well, we'll make it back on the next trade. But yeah, right now, just a little bit of drawdown. We'll see how this trade plays out. If it's a loss, oh well, we've won literally the 13 other trades before this. So that will make us 13 for 15. So trading bot is still doing good either way. But yeah, trade is not over. So we'll see how this plays out. All right, guys. So right now we're down about 6K. You can see stop loss is getting approached. You can see we had a double fake out here. That's pretty crazy. We broke, candlestick closed above, still went down, but then came back up, candlestick broke above, so another entry, candlestick. As you can see, the next one opened above here, but we still went down. So price action volume is not looking the greatest right now, but remember, trade's still not over until stop loss gets hit. So we still have a little bit more support here. So let's see if trade gets a bounce back up, saves the day. But either way, we lose this trade. Oh well, a little small loss, $6,000 loss. It'll be like a $7,000-$8,000 loss, not a big loss compared to the other trades we've been winning. Remember, the goal to staying profitable is always keeping your losses smaller than your winners, or winning more than you lose. So if that's changing your win rate percentage by changing a few things in your trading, or basically changing your risk reward. So even if you have a bad win rate percentage, like not a bad win rate percentage, obviously, but like an all right win rate percentage with like a 50% win rate, you'll be extremely profitable if you have a 1 or 2 risk reward on each trade. This is just how you become profitable with trading. You need to make sure I made a whole bunch of videos on this and I talk about it all the time, but a lot of people still don't get it. Always make sure your losses are smaller than your winners. This is how you win. You don't want to be greedy and make your losses overtake like 2 winners. That's how you lose in trading. But yeah, right now, down 4K, we're getting a little bounce, but not the bounce we need. We need more than that to push us back up. But overall, still pretty bullish on this. We're still not hitting stop loss yet. We still haven't closed the trade, so it's still not over. But we'll wait and see if stop loss gets hit. Oh well. But yeah, trade's still not over. Remember, anything can happen when you're trading. So this is why you have a stop loss. You never want to be overconfident in a trade. But yeah, right now, just going to wait. See if stop loss gets hit. Stop loss gets hit. Oh, well, we hop off the charts. Wait for the bot to send out another trade. But yeah, right now, we're just chilling. All right, guys. So it's been about an hour. Right now, we're up about 5.1K. As you can see, told you guys, trade is not invalid until stop loss gets hit. As you can see, stop loss didn't get hit. We still had this area of interest that we bounced off of. So now we're about to hit TP. So we're just gonna be patient, wait for TP to get hit. We're just a few pips shy off of TP. Right now we're trying to break this high right here. So this is a very key level. So let's just be patient. Let's see how this trade plays out. If we win this trade right here, we're about to be what, 13 for 14. So that's very good. Bot is on a roll so far. So let's see how this trade plays out. Just give it a couple more minutes, I say, and we should be hitting TP. So Let's wait. Right now, up 5.1K. Let's see how this thing plays out. All right, guys, right now we're approaching TP, just a little shy off of TP. I'm happy with the profits we're securing here. Little 7K profit. Closing this trade out right here. About to let the school community know about this. This could still easily hit TP, but right now, happy with the profit secured. We also closed out swing trade. Easy bands on that swing trade. TP got hit on that as well. So, good little trading week. Started Monday off. 2 trades, back-to-back close. Nice little trades, but yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys learned something watching this, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you guys want access to this bot, links in the description. But yeah, hope you guys learned something. I'll see you guys in the next video.